Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase UK. First, you'll need to set up your account. Begin by registering with your email and creating a secure password. Next, complete the identity verification process, which typically involves uploading a photo of your ID and a document proving your address. Finally, link a UK bank account or debit card to your Coinbase profile, which is essential for depositing and withdrawing funds. Once your account is verified, you can add funds. You have two primary options: a bank transfer or a debit card deposit. Bank transfers, often using faster payments, usually allow for larger sums, sometimes up to £25,000, and are generally free. Debit card deposits are quicker, often instant, but might have lower transaction limits and could incur a small fee, typically around 1.5%. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Navigate to the Buy/Sell section and choose your desired asset, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to transact, either in Great British pounds or the cryptocurrency's units. Always review the transaction details, including any fees, before confirming your purchase or sale. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. Security is paramount on Coinbase. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. When you're ready to withdraw funds, you can easily send them back to your linked UK bank account. Withdrawals typically process within 1 to 3 business days. Remember to regularly check your account activity and be vigilant against phishing attempts to keep your assets safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.